Most people think ego is your biggest enemy. But what if your ego isn't the problem? What if it's simply out of control? The right amount of ego can build confidence. Too much can destroy everything. Unlock your ego. Confidence comes from growth. Ego comes from needing to prove yourself. Confident people stay calm. Ego-driven people need validation from everyone. Your ego makes you react too quickly, argue unnecessarily, and take everything personally. That's why emotionally strong people learn to control their ego before it controls them. Use your ego to compete with your old self, not with other people. Let it push you to improve your skills, your health, and your discipline, not your pride. The strongest people don't win every argument. They choose which battles are worth fighting. Self-control is the highest form of power. Don't let your ego control your life. Master it, and you'll make better decisions, build stronger relationships, and become harder to break. If you enjoy psychology and self-improvement, subscribe for more videos every week. And thanks for watching.